This drawing I'm really excited about. We're going to do the Bride of Frankenstein kind of in a scary, gothic kind of way. So here's what we're going to start with. First of all, always start with pencil and then you can ink it after. I'm going to go ahead and draw in marker so that you can see it better on the tutorial. But as always, start with the pencil and then go ink it with the marker and then color it after you ink it. So that's the process. Let's begin with the Bride of Frankenstein. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start by making sort of a parentheses like that, and we're going to come over here and do the same thing. Okay, so those are her cheekbones. Then we're going to come on down and give her a pretty strong jaw. And there we go. So we've got her cheekbones, her jaw, and her chin, right? Now let's come up here and I'm gonna make like an arced line like that and like that, and then I'm gonna come over here and do sort of like one of those brackets that teachers use sometimes. Okay, then what I can do is I'm gonna come up here and I'm just gonna go off the paper there because her hair goes up high, right? And from here, so get that far, and then what you can do is you know, do all kinds of lines to give her hair. And of course you can go back and color this, whatever you want to color it. I mean, usually she has black hair. Something like that. But then here I want to do a wavy line, but I'm going to go slow because I don't want it to get out of control. And then I'm going to match it, because this is the thing that makes the Bride of Frankenstein the Bride of Frankenstein. She's got this sort of I've been electrocuted wavy line in her hair. Okay, and then she's got this updo going. So even if we don't go any further than that, we know we're talking about the Bride of Frankenstein. I'm going to give her some earlobes here, and then I think I might even give her a loopy earring just for fun. Okay, now let's go back up and let's draw her face. I'm going to give her some pretty fierce eyebrows. Okay, I might have to adjust this one to make it the same. I'll go ahead and color that in. Remember to push pause whenever you need to push pause. Alright, so then let's start with this eye. I'm just gonna do like a loopy thing like that, and I'm gonna come down a little bit like that. Okay, same thing over here. So it's like a sort of a loopy thing. Then I'm just gonna do sort of a parenthesis shape that way and a parenthesis shape that way. Alright, I'm going to give her an eyelid and another eyelid here because she has two. Okay, let's then give her, gosh, I don't know what to do for her eyes. I want to make them, maybe I'll just make regular eyes. Actually, I'm going to start with points like that, just tiny points, because that's creepy. And then I might come back and change her eyes a little bit, but I kind of like that. On her nose, I'm gonna do a line like this, and a line like this, and then another line, and another line. This is just, you know, not all noses are the same. There are her nostrils. And then I'm gonna come up here above the nostril and do just like a little kind of a bird shape. Now I'm gonna give her some very full lips. She's kind of puckering there. I mean, that's what happens when you get shocked, I think. I'm gonna give her like a little bit of some lines there. Might come up here and give her a line. Okay, and now maybe some like hairs that are, you know, not really up in her updo. Let's give her, she has a really long neck. Okay, and then I'm gonna come out here and give her some shoulders. Maybe I'm gonna come down here like this, like she's wearing like some kind of like robe or something. Okay. And then I'll give her like collarbone. Great. There is the Bride of Frankenstein. You can do anything you want with her in terms of coloring, right? Usually her hair's black and this wavy line is white, but you can do whatever. Maybe she's, you know, maybe she's had her hair colored or whatever. But there you go. You can add anything you want to it. There is the Bride of Frankenstein.